Hey, welcome back again. We are going to discuss about the conditional statement where I will walk you through the if-else, how the if-else things works in Python, okay, and we'll try to understand those conditional operator, etc. Okay, so let's look at here. So what I'm going to do is going to create a new file. I'm going to give it simply some name. So let's look at conditional statement. .py. Okay, fine. So let's take this example. You have gone to, okay, you are going to announce the result, okay, for the into the college, okay. So it is like something like this is mark obtained 75, and that result is basically true, okay, and you are going to write a code like this: if is mark obtained okay, so let me try with this, otherwise we'll ignore this. Let's see here first. Okay, so here there is one variable I am assigning here, Boolean value with the true here, okay, right now. So is mark obtained more than 75. So basically there is a variable where if a student is getting more than 75% of the marks, so I'm assigning it is like a true. Okay, so our next statement, like if it is true, so the syntax is like this: if this particular variable value is true, this statement will get executed, else if it is not true, then this is going to execute, this particular statement going to get executed. So right now the value has been given true, so if I run this code, so it's giving me congratulations, you are in. Okay, so that means because it has been given true value, so this particular statement has been executed while this else part has been omitted. So if I give this value like false, okay, so if you see here the false value, that means it is false, so this statement will not get executed. We will go to the else part, and in this case the else part has been executed, and sorry, please try next time. That's the result here. Okay, now we'll try one more case. Okay, so where we'll write like this: elif, okay, elif, which from sports quota. So let me define this variable above, and say for example if its value is true. Okay, let's run this program and let's see what's going to happen. And in this case I'm going to print like this: congrats, you are in, something like this. If I run this, so in this case this else if statement will get executed and it will print congrats sportsman, you are in. Okay, so this is how we can write the if else statements in our code. So it is like if particular value is satisfying the result, so this will get executed. If it is not true and this one is true, then this will get executed, and that's how it works. Okay, typical if else statement. So here we generally write else if in a short form, elif, okay, rather than the full form. So that's how it's get executed. And if I simply try to make both true, let's see how it will behave. So if you see here, this is how it is going to get executed. Okay, so the first statements only itself has been true, so it has been executed. So it will not go to other else if statements and all, because the first statement itself has been become true. And if you see here both are false, what is going to happen here? Say for example this, so what will happen here? Yeah, so both of these statement has not been executed, because both condition becomes false, so the else statement has been executed. Sorry, please try next time. So this is how the if else conditions works in Python, and this is typically a program look like. So this is how conditional statement works in Python. So now we will be going to look at logical operator in Python. Okay, so what I'm going to do is quickly going to create a new file for the logical operator. Okay, so let me open the file logical operator .py. It has been opened here. Okay, so let me run a very basic program. Say, so this is like has high income equal to false, has good credit equal to true, has criminal records. So let's look at this. If has high income and has good credit and eligible for loan. Okay, so something like this. Fine. So let's look at this program, and before that let me run this code. And okay, so what I need to do is I need to go here and then run this. Okay, it gave me some issue, no problem, we'll see what is happening here. Okay, so in this case what is I'm missing is either my string has to be in single quote or double quote. So flexible. So let me run this thing. Okay, so what is happening here, I have assigned these has high income equal to true, has good credit equal to true, and if you see here this statement, this has AND operator. So if the value of these two variables will be true, if both of them will be true, then only this statement will be executed. Otherwise, if any of them will be false or both of them is false, it is not going to get executed. So in this case both are true. So what happen is it's printing eligible for loan. Okay, say for example if I make one of them like false and I execute it, nothing gets executed because one of them is false. Now this is about AND operator. If you look at OR operator, this is another logical operator. So what will happen here is if any of them value is like true, it's going to be the whole statement is going to be true, and it's going to get executed. So what will happen here, it will print eligible for loan. So that means either you should be having high income or your credit score should be high, then you are eligible for loan. So this is how it is behaving here. If say for example here so this will not get executed only in the case if both the value is false. Say for example I make the above value false, so it's not going to get executed. Let me run this code, and if you see here nothing gets executed, so nothing has been printed. So that means because of both the value are false, so the statement has not been executed and it has not shown any result. Okay, let's consider another operator, not operator. Okay, so I have defined one more variable, has criminal records. Okay, so if a guy is having a criminal records, and then we are not going to give him loan, right? So what will happen, I need to write like this. Okay, let me remove this thing. Okay, so not operator. So not operator will come first. It's like a unary operator. So if the value is false, so it will be reversed, like if it is false it will become true, if it is true it will become false. So in this case not has criminal records, so that will become true. If both of them are true, then only it will be executed. Okay, let me make it end of it, so that okay. So had good credit. Let me make it for true. Okay, cool. Okay, let's run this. Oh, has good. Okay, let me run this. So this has been executed, eligible for loan. So this is all about logical operator. So once I mean not operator will be like, you know, if the value is true it will become false, then it will become true, and we can combine it with the AND on OR operator also in our code to run this thing. So in this case what happened here is this value become true and this value also already true, so it has been executed. So that's how logical operator things works. Thank you.